Is saying that our God is great, is that Islamophobic? Is that wrong to say? Anybody can say it in any language. So Allahu Akbar, first of all. Secondly, wearing hijab, wearing a certain kind of clothing is our right. I can wear jeans, I can wear sari, I can wear suit, I can wear hijab, I can wear anything. You are in the government not to control people what to wear, but rather you have to see the situation in the country about the hunger and the poverty and other many things. You, instead of that, you are denying a female or a male, anybody, wearing certain kind of clothes. That is completely irrational, unconstitutional, and which is not right. For anybody, I will share my own story. I did not wear hijab until December 9, 2021. I used to wear jeans. I wore everything, except hijab. But this is, people think that it is oppression. Our families force us to wear it. Nobody in my family wears hijab. I am the first one wearing hijab. So first of all, clear your minds. It is not oppression. We are not forced to wear it. I choose to wear it. I choose what I show to other people. I choose if I show my legs, if I show my hair, if I show my hand, if I show my body. It's my choice. So government cannot rule what are women. First, feminism starts. This is feminism. No? You let the girl, you let the women feel and share whatever they want to. Whatever they want to wear it. So let us wear hijab. This is our right.